Hi guys, it's Miss McDermott again, and we are on week 6 of this quarter. So again, please make sure you are clicking on start and going through the lesson that way. Don't pick and choose through here because it's not going to work nearly as well for you and you will miss stuff. All right, click on start to get started. This is due on the 25th. Here are the directions. First, you're going to watch this video that I'm creating now to see what you're expected to do. Secondly, there's an optional online Teams meeting that you can attend tomorrow. So take a look at your class period and your grade and the time to join. And at that time, so if you happen to be in period 3, 8th grade, you're just going to click on this at 4 o'clock and you're going to join our group on a Teams meeting. And it's nothing that you need to download or anything. That's attached to your Microsoft Suites. But if you're having any issues with any part of this project, because the final journal is due this week, and it should be completely finished by the end of the week with 2, 4, 6 entries, 12 pictures. Your entries should be a full paragraph long, and it should all be in one spot. So it's kind of a big project, and it's due at the end of this week. If you have any questions about it, you should be meeting me in our class here. Or if you just want to stop by and say hi, please come and visit us. All right, so then you're going to follow this playlist, which is this thing right here, to complete this week's assignment. At the very end, make sure you go through, there's a checklist at the end that says, shows you if you've finished everything. So firstly, you're going to answer this poll, then answer this Edpuzzle. You've used Edpuzzle before, just click on it. I think it assigns you a name, but it tells me who you are just because it's automatically logged in through its learning. And then just watch it and answer the questions. Easy peasy, it's not very long. Then go to the next resource. This is the part 3 of the Wellness Wheel Sway, and this is the final project altogether. If you have any questions about what this should look like, I will post my final project on I think I'm going to put it on the announcement page. Right now I've got the project started with just 2 journal entries for my very first week, but I wanted to show you really how long it should be when it's all said and done. So please add detail. Look at the descriptions of the questions. If you need additional information about that, please come visit us during the Teams meeting tomorrow or send me an email, or you can even call me on Teams at any point too. So it'll pop up on my screen and we can have a quick face-to-face. So look at my example. I cannot stress that enough. Many of you are putting a picture and like one sentence. That is not enough, and that's not okay. Look at how much information I'm adding. Make sure that you address what part of the wellness wheel you're doing and which question numbers you're doing. So please make sure you're different part of a wellness wheel. So if you're looking at this wellness wheel here and you happen to have already done physical health, and I don't want the definition in there, I'm looking for you to do 2 questions within these 5 of physical health. So you're just going to explain the activities, you're writing reflections, you're adding pictures. If you've already done physical and emotional health, then you should be doing something else for this week, either social health or spiritual or environmental or intellectual or financial. Just pick something else that you haven't done yet. And then answer 2 questions, add 2 pictures. You know when you're done, when you have full paragraphs for 6 journal entries and you have at least 12 pictures on your journal. And it should all be in one spot. So you are just adding to what you've created for the last 2 weeks. You're just adding to it, making it bigger, making it better, making it more full. My finished journal, which is on a s'more, will be on that announcement page. I've got to make some adjustments and updates because right now I only have 2 blog entries and I need a total of 6 for my final project. So you can look at what I'm doing there. If you have questions, please visit us on that meeting time tomorrow. When you are finished with that journal, it's perfect. It's lovely. You are going to come here and turn it in. Here's where the assignment gets turned in. Click on answer assignment. You can drag and drop your file right here. If it's a file like a s'more, you're just going to copy and paste the link right here. So for example, here's what my s'more looks like right here. I have not finished it. I need to finish this still. But let's say I have finished my s'more and I'm going to publish my changes. So here's my changes, although this is the only thing I've really changed so far. But you can put the date of the journal entry at the top. I am going to copy or embed the link, copy the link, come over here, click this, and Control V pastes the link, and hit enter, and there you go. And then part of this though is answering, I deserve an A because, and explain yourself there, please. If you can't turn it in here, yours is going to say something like this. I emailed this to you on 5/22, or you can say Thursday or whatever you want. I emailed this to you on Thursday. I think I deserve B because, and then you're going to actually answer that. Why do you think you deserve a B? But I need you to tell me that you emailed it to me, and if it came from a different email that doesn't have your name in it, in the subject line, make sure you put your first name, last name, completed journal in the subject line, and then click on submit. And then you're going to, I'm not going to save mine. You're going to do the checklist. You're just going to check yes or no. I completed the poll about sleep. If you did it, check yes. If you didn't, check no. And finish that. Once you're done, as you can see, there's nothing to go forward here, and you are done. Please reach out with any questions. If you are not really sure what this week's assignment looks like, I'm going to post a separate video again on the announcements so you can look through that. All right, good luck, guys. Bye-bye.